Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the AUTOPHIX 3610 Bluetooth Diagnostic Scan Tool. If you're passionate about cars and want to take control of your vehicle's health, this is the tool for you. Let's dive right into the review. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, the design. Just look at this compact and sleek device. The AUTOPHIX 3610 is not only lightweight but also durable, making it a handy companion for your garage adventures. Setting up the AUTOPHIX 3610 is a breeze. Thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair it with your smartphone or tablet. Just download the dedicated app, connect the tool to your car's OBD2 port, and voila, you're ready to roll. Key features and performance. This automotive diagnostic tool supports all OBD2 car protocols and all OBD2 functions: read codes, erase codes, live data stream, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, I/M readiness test, onboard monitoring test, evap system test, dashboard function, RPM, VSS, ACT, and more. Vehicle information, battery check, live data streaming, monitor key engine parameters in real time to pinpoint issues. Wonderful and special functions supported. The AUTOPHIX 3610 Bluetooth Scan Tool can not only diagnose full systems for VAG cars, but features with 4 special functions most commonly used: service reset, EPB replace brake pads, throttle learning, and battery check, including voltage reference. The vehicle code reader supports 7 languages: English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Chinese, Spanish. Lifetime free update print diagnostic report. Full system code reader fit for VAG. AUTOPHIX 3610 car scanner is specially designed to fit for VW or Audi or Skoda or Seat Series all models. It can easily access full vehicle, powertrain, suspension, body, electronic module. What's more, it can read and clear fault codes for all system in full modules, including engine, SAS, TPMs, airbag, transmission, battery, parking assistance, immobilizer, fuel supply, chassis control, stabilizers, parking, brake, active steering, trailer function, and more. Here are some pros and cons about the AUTOPHIX 3610. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide vehicle coverage, full system diagnosis, special functions. Cons: limited functionality on non-VAG vehicles, app can be buggy, no customer support. In conclusion, the AUTOPHIX 3610 Bluetooth Diagnostic Scan Tool is a game-changer for DIY car enthusiasts. Its sleek design, user-friendly app, and powerful diagnostic capabilities make it a must-have in any garage. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle in top-notch condition, give this tool a try. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Happy driving!